City of mine, how I love the city of mine. It never gets me down.
Dip me underway, you can kill my mind for flow. Hold me till I scream for air breathe, and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby.
Hello guys, welcome back to the VeeHive. This is V. Well, today guys, we are coming in to do all the decor and all for our breakfast room. We do have a former dining room, which I think that video has already been shown. If not, I will link it up in the iCard. But this, guys, is our breakfast area. Like I did the first beginning of this year with the bar, I did include that with the kitchen, although it is basically over in the breakfast room, but there's so many different elements and different places in the breakfast room. I'm just going to do the table setting for the breakfast room. I'm going to do something little back there to pop out our color, and this is also a breakfast type station. So you know, I also have one in my kitchen, but this is our wine bar here. But the kids come and do different juices and stuff that I put in there. This is their cereal. So guys, what I'm getting ready to do, sit back. We getting ready to get this area taken care of to get it all fall ready. The bar cart is already done. I did that collaboration with one YouTube sister. So I already have that taken care of. So guys, now let's go ahead and get this side taken care of. So stay tuned.
Okay guys, I'm giving you a very inexpensive tablescape. I've asked about doing a tablescape like this once before. So guys, this tablescape is going to be basically under $25. So the first thing, these plates are from no other than the Dollar Tree. And also I am adding these wine glasses, and they are also from the Dollar Tree. So right now we're at the total of $8. So here I have some pumpkins, some cord, and some napkins. The napkins cost 75 cents from a thrift store for all four. The cord is just some decoration cord that you can wrap a gift with, and it was 97 cents at Hobby Lobby about a year ago, and I got it for 60% off. So you know that it's just like some pennies. It was like 30 something cents, and the pumpkins came from the Dollar Tree on last year. So you can use anything to make a makeshift type napkin ring. So the only thing I'm doing here is folding my napkins in half, tying the ribbon, and placing it on the plates in a way that will be very pleasing to the eye. So guys, as I go along, you will see me change up one of the plates, and getting close to the end of the video, you will see why. so now I am adding this tray. It's from Threshold, but guys, I bought this back home from Goodwill. It was brand new. Target works along with Goodwill back where I'm from, so I got this tray for $3. And here, guys, you know this infamous vase. I picked this one up from I think Ross department store, and I think it was like $6.99. And the decor pieces here, the stems were like about $1 a piece. And the one with the pumpkin on it, I picked up from Carolina Pottery, and it was $2.99. And the potpourri is some potpourri that I picked up last year, and it was on clearance with 90% off. So it was about $1.25 a bag. So now this sign, you have seen it once before. It is from the Dollar Tree. So once again, on a budget. And guys, I am going to add my wooden beads. These beads were very inexpensive. I think I paid $3.99 for them. And I love when I did not pay attention to it until afterward, and it said, "Imagine Love." So that is a mouthful. So I am adding a tray, and guys, it's not a Veeology tablescape if I don't have a bottle of wine. So guys, here I am adding just on the side 2 wine glasses from the Dollar Tree, a bottle of wine. And guys, I did not pay attention until I am now doing the editing that I should have a bottle of wine that had a black or orange top. So this one has a green top. So I do have some green elements in there, but guys, yes, it would have been a bottle of Stella Rose. So now I am going to do my credenza on the back. I'm not going to do much or nothing to this area. I'm adding my Tom Ford book, but guys, I did stand it up. But for the whole total home reveal, you will see I didn't like that. I sat it down, and I just put my dough bowl and some green balls back up there. And I'm just going to add a little pop color in there, a fall leaf, and a sunflower, and that is all I'm going to do for this area. That live plant, and yes, it's live, has been growing with us for the last 4 years we've been in our home. So now I'm going to decorate our wine bar. Guys, inside is full of wine. No, I don't advertise it. So on top, this is my kids cereal little bin. You can find these off Amazon. And on the other side, guys, this stand has glass. I have no clue where I put the glass, but I did want some wood elements. So, you know, your girl has those tools. So I cut the wood to fit within this. And also those canisters came from Hobby Lobby last year during Christmas. I did a tapescape last year using those. I did not like the color, so I used my Bear spray paint, matte black, and I changed it. So now I'm just adding some signs that'll let you know, hey, it is pumpkin season and give thanks and blessings. So that is what I'm adding to this area now. So to really make it look like fall, I'm just going to add some fall leaves and some pumpkins and a pine cone. So the only thing I picked up this year for this space is this sign, and it came from the Dollar Tree. And I am adding a pumpkin candle. Guys, I don't burn many of my pumpkins during the season. I have one or two that I will burn. I do use those yearly. So I'm just adding on my waffle swirls, some peanuts, and my candle. And this, guys, this cereal bin, before I even did the filming and got it over with, I'm editing now the next day, and you better believe half of both are gone. I cannot keep cereal in these things. I think I need something just as tall as the floor to the ceiling, and maybe I can keep some cereal in these things. So guys, here I'm just adding two different cereals. This one is the confetti, is a new cereal that I introduced to my kids. You better believe they're eating it, so evidently it is good. The other one is a very healthy cereal, so that's when most time that I do put a healthy cereal in there, and then something with a little bit of sugar. But that is how I add on in the cereal bin. So the last thing that I'm going to do to the table is add my throw. Guys, I was going to put a burnt orange throw in this area, but I decided not to. So I take all of my throws when I'm putting on, and I fold it back on the board like an accordion or a fan, and then I put it down. I have the thing. I love the end of my throws on the floor. I absolutely love that. That is just my little thing. And now I'm just going to add pillows, and we will be done. So stay tuned for the complete overview. I love having two sets of napkins, one for your lap and the other one, of course, to wipe your hands and mouth. So that is the reason why you always see me with two napkins. If you go to a 5-star upscale restaurant, you will notice that they do have two napkins. Okay, guys, if you are ready, it is time for the total reveal.
How I love the city of mine. It never gets me down, city of mine. How I love the city of mine. It never gets me down, yeah. Mine. How I love this city of mine. It never gets me down, city of mine. How I love this city of mine. It never gets me down.
And it's mine.
How I love this city of mine. It never gets me down, city of mine. How I love this city of mine. It never gets me down. Me and my hometown, baby, we go way back. All the situations, circumstances, still we don't mind. Steady going on, I dance around the street lights. Hey, I know every street sign, hanging around the block like if you are my friend, then you are welcome any moment. Yeah. gets me down. City of mine. How I love this city of mine. It never gets me down. City of mine. How I love the city of mine. It never gets me down. City of mine. How I love the city of mine. It never gets me down. Yeah. Mine. How I love this city of mine. It never gets me down. City of mine. How I love this city of mine. How I love this city of mine. It never gets me down. City of mine. How I love this city of mine. It never gets me down. Me and my hometown, baby, we go way back. All the situations, circumstances, still we don't mind. Steady going on, I dance around the street lights. Hey, I know every street sign, hanging around the block. Like if you are my friend, then you are welcome any moment. Yeah. City of mine. How I love this city of mine. It never gets me down. City of mine. How I love this city of mine. It never gets me down. City of mine. How I love the city of mine. It never gets me down. City of mine. How I love the city of mine. It never gets me down. Yeah. Mine. How I love.
For this side of the seating, I decided not to add a pumpkin, but instead to add a candle. This will make the 10th year that we did not have our mother to celebrate the fall with us. And she was one that she loves decorating. She would change out things, and that is where I get it from. So, Mommy, we love you, and indeed, we miss you tremendously.
It never gets me down.
So guys, please do like, comment, subscribe, thumbs up my video. Please do share it out. And you know what I will say at the end, I gotta go, but I will be back. And until the next time, guys, bye.
Street sign, hanging